Hi there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kim Bartlett of Kim B Keepsakes, and today I wanted to show you these little small dragon journals that I have designed and made. Sorry about that, I had a brain fart. Okay, so alright, so I made these dragon journals, and I just basically wanted to show them to you today and to tell you that yes, I will make a tutorial on how I made these. They're only small. They are, let's see here, about 3 inches wide by approximately 4 inches tall. Each of them, this one here is called the Tail of the Dragon. I'm still getting used to this, how to do a video here. Now, how I achieved this effect was I used tinfoil, paint, and hot glue. And that I'll cover in the upcoming tutorial. So that I didn't ruin the front of the look of the book, I did it so that each of them tie in the back, and they're all done with coffee stained pages like this, and they have various pages in them like graph paper, little bitty dictionary, old bank book, statement paper, you know, things like that. This particular little book has 112 pages in it. So that's this one here, which is the Tail of the Dragon. Then we have this one here, which is one of my favorites. Well, they're all my favorites. I had so much fun making them. But anyway, I called this one the Dragon Journal. You know, it takes forever to pick out a font that you like, you know, to go with the whole theme, right? And I made these medallions to put on the front of the books. Again, tinfoil paint, hot glue to get all of this lovely effect and the gold and everything. This, again, opens up with the ribbon. And this little book has 104 pages in it. I don't know why they don't all have the same pages, but you know, there it is. I must have been interrupted. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking with it. Again, this one, I don't think it has the dictionary pages in it, just the odd line page and maybe a banknote in there. I don't know. Well, not a banknote, Jesus, I mean, good heavens, I'd be keeping those. Okay, right along to the next one. And this one here is called The Book of Dragons. It's Silver Dragon. And now with this particular book, when I did the tinfoil on it, I did not put hot glue down on the paper first. And I have to say, I'm digging this. Like, look at the way it just, you know, I did put some corrugated cardboard back here on this one. Again, ties in the back. We just untie that and we open it up, and again, it's coffee stained pages. And yes, I used my pinking shears to cut them because I just thought, you know, dragon teeth are pointy, and why shouldn't the book have pointy pages? But anyway, that's my reasoning. And this one only has 88 pages because, once again, I don't know, did I have to take out the dog? I just lost track of how many pages I was putting in the signature, but there you have it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy seeing my little books. And if you like this video and you're looking forward to more videos from me, please leave a comment in the bottom. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and if you're not crazy about it and you give me the old thumbs down, I'm good with that too. Oh, also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you more often. Bye for now.